YouTube check 1 2. YouTube check check check. YouTube check. YouTube check. 1 2. YouTube check. I love it. I love it. I love it. I wanna show myself for the most part, but let me just get that restarted here, guys. I can hear you, buddy. Can you say that again so I can make sure that you are connected onto YouTube? Um, what? Let me see. No, so no comment on the YouTube side of things. Oh, hold on, hold on. Yeah, there's something going on. What the heck? It says subscribers only mode. That shouldn't be the case. Let me go into the. Yeah, I need to go into the settings of YouTube real quick. Okay. Dude, I hate how they. You see on YouTube, have you noticed they changed everything for the live streaming? Yeah. It's so annoying, dude. Let me see. Quality normal. All right. Okay, okay. I got settings. Nice. Uh, the settings on YouTube. The settings on YouTube are who can comment, anyone. I don't have it on subscribers only. Uh, what if you close out the browser and restarted? Or reboot the browser. You know what I mean? It's not public, but it is it's not public, but it is set for anyone to comment. Okay. All right. Yeah. If anybody else has an issue, with the whole, with the whole commenting or whatever on YouTube, please let me know. And the only way that I can get you guys to be seen, hold on. Yeah, the only way that I can get this to be seen on YouTube officially is by doing this. I mean, like Panda's side opposing my side. No, 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 no. What I mean is that in order for me to show because there's two independent screens, so I have to show either one or the other. So to show you, this is the only way that I can do it, like through Discord. You see on my stream how it's appearing. Also, I am not hearing you in. I actually, man. Let me just make sure of this because I need both voices here, bro. People are gonna repeat this. Let me go in the chat. I'm gonna go in the chat. Yeah, but I need you to heard that it's still the same thing. Can you say? I need you to talk. I'm gonna go ahead and mute myself. Hit it, buddy. Your particular audio needs to process through YouTube in order for me to make that happen. Hold on, let me figure it out.
Hello, 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 hello. There you go. Yeah. Let me move back a little bit here. Can you hear me now? Nope. Yeah, I hear you. How about now? Yeah, but I heard myself too.
I'm turning off my video stream from YouTube so I don't hear anything else. So this one that you just did was only one echo. The other one had like four.
Okay, how about now?
There's an early reflection one that's very low, and then you get a huge output one.
Okay, just switched my mic.
Wait, do that again? You're trying to change your mic, buddy?
Alright, how about now?
Okay, check again. Now do it again right away.
How about now?
Oh yeah. There's I hear you very low in the background, but then your echo comes in really loud. Right, I can hear where you're starting. Is that so? You need to have the speakers on, like for sure. You can't turn them off.
I don't have the speakers on.
No.
No, I got my headset on. I got it connected to my headset, and then microphone's separate.
There is okay. Can you make sure that you don't have selected the microphone of your computer and the microphone of like if there's a pair?
Yeah, the inputs on my separate microphone and the outputs on my headset.
I meant the
Bring
microphone.
down.
Huh? I meant the microphone from the computer and the microphone that's in front of you, or whatever other microphone. I'm wondering if they're both enabled at the same time. Two
No,
mics.
the headset.
Wait, do it again? That might have been it. That could have been it right there. I don't know if you're... I think I just heard one voice. Damn.
How about now? This is set my.
It's still the same. It's just before this. I was just asking you to just say check one more time, just to.
How about,
You don't hear his echo? If no one hears it, I'm down. I don't care if I hear it.
hear me?
But are you on YouTube or are you on Discord? Okay. Old man, do you hear his echo or no? Check, bro.
All right, I just upgrade up, just move the input volume up a little bit. Is that better?
You do hear it, old man? Yeah, he hears it. I mean, I don't know how someone else is not hearing it, but it could be like Ninja where he doesn't hear the music. You know what I mean?
That's weird.
Yeah, it's like all I hear is like that's weird. That.
Like I'm still trying to figure out the perfect space between the microphone and me. So
Oh, you know what it could be? If your headphones are turned up like crazy, your playback, like your voice through the headphones, if they're blurting out loud, then they're gonna, show the delay to the mic. Yeah, that's exactly what it does, Lou.
what's up? What's up? What's up?
Yeah, I'm wondering if like are your headphones really turned up on your side?
No, I turned it way down, like super down.
You always do this. You always do these streams, so what's different? Wait, what if I get rid of my screen? Let me see. Try this. Whenever you're ready.
Yeah, both Discord and YouTube muted. I can hear you talking. That's weird.
You can hear me talking on YouTube?
But the echo went away, he says.
Oh, okay. So I still hear echo even without my screen on Discord.
Yeah, how many of these have we done already?
Yeah, like what did you change? Nothing?
Well, it was just like in the class. I couldn't hear you for some reason, and then now I guess I'm getting an echo.
You're using the same setup as before, like always the same thing?
Oh yeah, yeah. Since the last time we did it.
That sound that you make like that when you move the mic, that makes me feel like there's a sound source outside. It sounds like it's trying to pick up feedback from a source that is sounding the mic out loud through speakers.
I wonder if maybe pushed a button or something on top of this microphone. Let me look.
So you're not hearing your speakers outside out loud, right?
No, I don't have anything on except for this computer.
So the computer's not showing the audio out from its speakers. Right?
Or now.
you're still echoing. What the hell, dude?
Well, that's just the mic. That's just the mute. Yeah, that's just the mute button on top of the microphone.
Are you on OBS right now?
No, I turned off my OBS. I turned off my OBS because I thought it was doing the whole echoing thing on there, but
It's not, huh? So you now, yeah. So you now got it closer to the problem. Now you know that it's not OBS.
how if I talk like this? With like the microphone basically inches away from my face.
No, yeah, it's not about how far you are, brother. It's definitely a connection
Oh no,
issue.
I was seeing if Luke can hear me now.
What if you, whatever you cranked up like crazy, what if you turned that all the way down?
The input volume?
Yeah. Whatever it was that you just told us like 2 minutes, no, like 5 minutes ago, you said I cranked it all the way up. Yo, say that again?
And 40%?
No, I meant like turn it all the way down.
30%?
All the way down. 0. I hear you clicking.
Or do you room?
Say again, dude?
Something. Do you think it's the room? Maybe we should change rooms?
Oh, yeah, we could do that. Absolutely. Let me, dude, yeah, let me just create a new one right now.
Let's try that, maybe.
Hell yeah.
I don't know what the hell's going on, but...
Dude, let's just go to the pit. You can you share it or no?
Maybe. We can try it. Alright, how about now? Can you hear me? No echo, hopefully?
Definitely echo.
God damn it. The fuck?
You started the
Let
chat.
me turn this off one.
Yeah. Did you start the chat silently?
Okay, I'm on my headset microphone now.
There's definitely less echo, way less echo, but it's there. Did you start did you start the pit like silently?
It said to start the stage before I could.
But did you start it silently because no one
Yeah,
came?
yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, dude. Okay, let me add everyone. Hold on.
I'm turning down my.
What?
I said I'm turning down my input volume.
You turned. I couldn't understand anything with the echoes. Let's go back over there. Dude, we can't share. We can't share both screens. We can only share one at a time here. Let's get out of here, team. You here, buddy? Wait, what? There you are. You want to see if your Windows needs an update? Your security is some crap. Like me, man. Oh, dude, as soon as this is done, we can start. Goodness gracious. You were way in the distance, super far away. I'm down. I'm down for you if you want to reboot entirely. I'm down, bro. Give it a shot. Hold on, hold on.
Ooh. Okay. Testing.
Okay, buddy. Any advancements?
I don't know. You tell me.
Whoa. That was explosive. Hold on. Okay, say it again.
Testing.
Did you add a gate? You're muted. Okay, let's hear it.
Testing again.
That's the headset?
Yes, the headset.
Yeah, I mean, there's no echo for it's just your first part of the letter and the last part of the letter just gets cut out, but that we hear you.
I'm turning down the input,
There we go.
but I still hear myself.
You hear yourself?
Yes.
Damn, we don't hear any echo. This sounds clean. You're changing something else, buddy?
I guess I'm just gonna have to live with it.
You're just gonna what?
Just gonna have to live with it.
Dude, you? Okay, brother, you let me know when you're ready.
Something now.
Yeah, did you say now?
No, I'm checking my output.
Nice.
I guess whenever you're ready.
What, dude? That sounded pretty nice.
Yeah, but I still hear myself. I'll just deal with it.
So you hear yourself how, bud? How? Like on your headphones?
Yeah, I can hear it from your stream.
Oh, so mute. Yeah, so mute the audio from Discord. But you're not gonna be able to hear me. Is that the problem?
That's probably it.
You have an echo on your end too? Dude, what? But for my echo, oh, Destiny, make sure that Discord and YouTube are not on at the same time.
Testing.
I hear you, buddy.
Okay, so yeah, it's on the stream. I can't hear myself anymore. So it's the stream.
Right?
So I guess I'm not gonna watch your stream.
What do you mean watch my stream?
I don't have your stream on. Like here, I'll do a screenshot because I got off the stream. And now there's no echo for me at least.
Yeah, dude, you would just choose here in Discord what to see. So like whenever you share your screen, I just want to share your screen onto YouTube so people can see on YouTube what you're sharing. Destiny, I don't know about any of that. You know. Oh, it's better now? Okay, good. Because I could not. Not from my end.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
I mean, there's nothing I could do there, bro. Not for someone. I can do something here because we're sharing systems. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's a whole other game. But
I mean,
she's saying it's better.
This so many times now. It's why is it doing it now?
I assume it's because you just didn't have your OBS on, bro. You usually do it with your OBS, and you're now not doing it.
Yeah, I could throw my OBS back on. The echo was there before.
No, that's where it was?
Yeah. Well, I had it on, and then I turned it off, and it was still echoing.
Whoa.
That's why I said, it's like, wonder why it's doing this now.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. So, no. I hope it wasn't because you had the OBS on and the YouTube stream on, bro, because we just figured out that was a YouTube stream.
No, I didn't have YouTube. I didn't have any of my browsers up.
No?
No.
Yeah, I don't know. Destiny, I definitely can't. I don't know on your side. You know, him and I are streaming here, so we know we know what to do for our end because we're sharing systems, you know, but on your side is like, that's like your phone, you know, like I don't know there. You would just maybe have to try a different device. I don't know. Or just go to YouTube alone. Just go, if you just go to YouTube, you'll be able to hear us both fine. So yeah, dude, with OBS, you did not have the browsers on. Panda, I'm talking to you, bro.
I was just switching over to the other mic just to see if that would help.
Dude, okay. We had just figured it out though. Just unless you, yeah. What were you missing on your side? You still needed something else?
All right. Is there any echo now?
No, you just sound like a huge ass cyborg. It's like, yeah, we need echo.
Do I need to move my mic back a little bit?
Yeah, because you're like phasing for. I just turn your input down or something. It sounds like
fucking cyborg. What the fuck?
Dude, I'm not kidding. I'm not fucking kidding, dude. It's like something like I don't even know if I can like. Dude, I don't want to like explode anyone's faces here, but
no, it's fine. It's fine. I've just moved back. You tell me when.
It's like
How about now?
It's like this, like this. This is what you sound like. I literally
Oh,
just turned on that effect. Like this, I'm a cyborg. You know, because I have a pedal and I have all effects and everything, you know, so I can turn it on and off. But that's
yeah. I'm not using my soundboard right now because I don't have a mic for that.
I can't believe I was able to just recall that like effect right away. That's literally the effect, though, dude. Exactly like that. That's what you sound like. So I mean, if you want to sound like, you know, Panda Cyborg, we're good. It's all goody.
Just trying to figure out which one's clear was all.
That one, bro. That one sounds clean.
Okay, we'll just use this one.
Wait. I mean, you're still.
Let me turn down my input volume then.
Bro, we've been options. What's up, bro? We've been out here over like an hour trying to figure out the audio, man. Oh, dude.
No steam.
What? Once you, dude, you're insane trying to switch it up all the time.
Well, you should know about this. You're a perfectionist too.
The other one sounded just like you always did, just like the normal clear.
Jesus Christ. We should just get this going.
There, that. What did you just do? That sounds perfect.
I just changed the input.
You changed the.
All right. I just changed the input volume.
Yeah. Drop that again one more time.
All right. Drop it down to 35%.
All right, let's do it. Nerd alert. I can't wait to hear you with 35%. But bro, is it not just like a dial or like a knob?
No, I'm using the Discord input volume.
Oh, okay.
Because like I said, I got it on my headset, so.
Dude, that sounds great. I think you're good here.
Okay.
Now you're not cyborg at all. You're just super volume panda, so I want to turn you down on my side. Super panda, super headroom. Say check, buddy.
Check.
Oh, dude, hell yes. And I can join the party like this and be all HG like you.
Oh, shit.
Whoa.
Everyone in the audience is just like, what the fuck? Hurry the hell up.
Guys, man. Is this guy, he literally had 4 echoes going. It was like, hello. God forbid he would have to say a sentence, man. It would be like 38 people talking. What did you notice? Old man, old man. If I mute Panda, the echo goes away when he talks. What? That is crazy. But you have
You can hear me even if it's muted.
Yeah. Here's the echoes. Are you sure that's not because YouTube was on for you, brother? I love you, bro.
Good seeing you, buddy.
Oh, dude. I love you, buddy. Oh, it is.
Yay. Can't wait for the shenanigans.
Yeah, come through, bro. Come through, brother. The shenanigans. Dude. Which ones? Like... I don't remember shenanigans. Well, I just remember talking, but... Oh, dude. The way You cannot, dude. You could wait. What? Why wouldn't he be able to talk in here? That's. You're not like.
Didn't
You're
able
a,
to talk.
bro. Look at the whole. Look at everything you got. you see the. You see the rolls. Good God. How
Let me
is it?
check the.
How is an administrator restricted?
Hey, you know what? I'm gonna put you on here. Hold on, give me 1 second.
It's like this dude is. It says right there, owner, creator, founder. Can't speak in here. Oh my goodness.
I can't find options on here on this list.
What do you mean? Oh, like all we have to do is do this. Look, we go into like settings. We do
Yeah,
like
I'm checking permissions right now. I'm putting his name on it. It's not showing up.
let's just add him like it's not even a private channel. What the
No,
heck?
it's not. You got in just fine.
Wait, yeah, dude, I can't. What's your wait? Like, I can't find you.
See?
What's going on here, man? Where are you, sir? should I should I invite the admin to the server? Oh my goodness, dude. Dude, chilling, big chilling, dude. Right here, invite to server. I probably not gonna do it right because he's already here. Oh, dude, what the heck? Or I should have searched U.S. paratrooper maybe. Permish. What? How in the world is that happening?
I think something's fucked up with Discord today.
It's like U.S. paratrooper is KOS. Parenthetically options, aka options. But I hear you now, bro. Now you're good. And this is outstanding. What's crazy is like in the let me see actually. Okay. All right, brother. I was gonna say the crazy thing is that I can't even see the chat in the new Discord, the new YouTube thing. It's like, why wouldn't you show that? It's probably one of the most important things that you need in the YouTube studio when you stream, and there's no chat there. What? Goodness, man. All right, dude. Oh, I love your
The
options.
options. I'm gonna send you a friend invite.
Yes, yes.
I'm gonna see if this works because I don't know why it's not showing your name on here, but it shows my friend list on here for some reason. So
Do you have to verify again, bro? Like your number? My goodness.
Well, I went and pushed verify a member on it, so I mean, I don't know. It's not.
No, himself.
No.
Yeah, the back test that you. Oh, you do have a video up for that? Nice.
Yeah, I had it up a while ago already.
That's awesome, bro. Yeah, guys. Like we like there's a whole there's always a team, that gets these things done. It's I don't know where I'd be without them. It's just the way it is. We have to make sure to, like, we literally are here for each other, and we support each other and we build it together and we.
Yeah, if you need the link, I can send it to you right now.
Yeah, dude, thanks, bro.
Find it real quick.
Yeah, dude, thanks. Options, hell yeah, dude. Shoot, you have it handy here, Panda.
Yeah, I'll post it right now.
Yee. But we're gonna go through that. We're gonna go through that here too. Is it we were trying to figure out this audio issue that was.
Yeah, you said Alex says he's got other obligations, so he can watch that whenever he can, or whenever he needs it.
Oh, he just left. You did, honey? Oh, that was Alex. Yeah, he was like angry at me or something. I was like, brother, it's all good, brother. Dude, I'm like for real gonna put up at everyone and just say we're finally ready. This was insane, dude. To deal with that was just, I don't even know what happened there. Wait, what? Dude, options. I just got your text. Dude. Thanks, bro. I love you, dude. Yeah, just if he doesn't have a Bybit, he hasn't made the video. Yes, that's true, but it doesn't mean that it can't be connected. So Hybrid Elite was connected to Kraken. We connected it to how many others, bro?
What was it? Bitstamp, Kraken, Blowfin, and now PHEMEX. I can't keep making these accounts. Seriously.
Yeah. So, dude, with Hybrid Elite, it's the same type of connector, right? We could.
I figured that XMEXC would be pretty close to the same as you know. I know what was it? Bitfinex is the same as this here too. So I mean, it should have almost the same layout.
Well, yeah, yeah. The creators of this are all mimicking each other. But yeah, you ended up in those other videos that you did. Did you speak in those?
The Blowfin one, no, I didn't speak on that one either.
No, from before, bro. Like when you were doing.
Yeah, I've done, just I don't know how annoying my voice is, so that's why I kind of just kept it quiet this time.
But before this was the only time.
No, I've done other streams and stuff where I talked about hooking it up, and even that last one we did with Hybrid Elite, I was helping Lou with it. I think it was Lou or Devil, one of the two.
It was Devil Dog, I think.
Yeah, I think it was Devil that I was helping with. So we basically got it recorded and it's posted. So.
Okay, then like.
But that was for I believe that was for Blowfin. But like I said, it should be similar to Mexi and Bybit if they do futures and signal bots.
Yeah, and that's already a bit like ahead of what we're supposed to do, brothers. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I don't have an endorsement and I don't have a broker dealer. Where did he go? I don't have a broker dealer with anyone else other than just that, what is it called, PHEMEX. You know what I mean? So I'm I can't be promoting any others right now when they're not. Why would I do that? Like my job, my job in the partnership is with this team. That's that's where I'm at. But the algorithms are made to be connected into. The algorithms are made to be connected universally. And yeah, he was saying, I think on the email that it failed and that it just didn't connect into PHEMEX, and then I'm seeing here from you that it did.
Oh yeah, it connects perfectly on PHEMEX.
Okay, so then I think
I don't know what the
right,
I mean,
like what the issue could have
perfectly fine to DM me and we can me and him can go through it later, but must have been did some user error or something.
Yeah, it's just on the email he was very clear that it failed and it didn't connect onto PHEMEX. But you're showing me here, literally live, that it is connected to PHEMEX. So user error is absolutely the reason here. So I think this will be good. I'm like I said, right? The team that is endorsing me right now, that partnered with Arca Bulls, is PHEMEX. So I'm like having Panda even showing other platforms. That's already going kind of far, right? Because I don't have any agreements or any contracts with them, and I'm giving them free exposure. Like that's I shouldn't do that. Like if I'm going to mention any other broker, then I should mention them with their agreement to provide something for my team. And if that's not going to happen, then I'm not going to mention them and I'm not going to push them. And furthermore, we should probably get into the process of connecting hybrid into PHEMEX here, and seeing how that's done. But I am very happy that not only has Panda figured out how to connect that directly into PHEMEX, but he's also figured out how to get it into already a massive profitability too. That's incredible to me. Remember, guys, that these algorithms are made to connect universally. So if there's an issue that you're facing, we're not going to be, well, Panda is more than willing to help, of course, and thank you, bro. Right? But we are really not speaking of any other broker dealer. While they are able to connect, and we have done before, right? We are not going to be able to speak about them too much because, like I said, my contractual agreement, and my endorsement and partnership is with PHEMEX. And providing that information for other dealers, that's when they're doing nothing for me. That's not my deal, and I'm not going to participate in that, guys. I need you to be eternally clear about that, right, guys? We got to keep things, we got to keep things pro here, right? I'm talking about exposure to thousands and thousands and thousands of people that have subscribed to me and stuff. Unless they help me in some way, I won't mention them and I won't help them. So they gotta step up the game, right? But remember, the algorithms are absolutely able to be connected universally. Okay, team. So I don't know how you want to do this, Panda. Do you want to share your screen? You're sharing your screen.
Sharing my screen now, but you can follow along if you want on your stream.
No, what I'm doing is I'm trying to make this a large screen so that I can show it on YouTube. Okay, buddy. I think we're good to go, and it is streaming on 1440p. There we go. You want me to mention everyone that we're good to go?
That's fine if you want to do that.
Really?
Sure.
Okay. Let me do it from my phone. I'm going to do it from... Should I just do it from here in the chat? Let's see. My comment came through, right? I can't see the comments from I can't see the comments from either side because it's live. Oh, it popped up. Nice. Okay. Yeah, it went through, guys. Does it look like it's getting, or people are coming in, right?
Probably.
Okay. All right, buddy. You goody?
Just was I.
No problem. All good, all good, all good. Hey, team, what's up, everybody?
Apologies for the wait.
Yep. No problem. Yeah, the chat is getting populated. We're doing good, buddy. So we're just yeah, guys, we're just about ready to get this thing rolling. Should anybody have any issues with the audio or video from Discord, please go ahead and refer to the link provided to you at the top of this chat for the YouTube stream, which is just in case you can't see or hear. We're gonna be describing here how to connect and how to enable automated trading from how to enable an automated trading with using hybrid one of the newest systems into our partner brokers, PHEMEX. And it looks like we have a couple viewers on YouTube right now. I hope everything looks good on my end, brother. YouTube looks good, and the audio stream and video stream looks also good in Discord. Yeah.
So that's how that works. Okay.
I'm gonna describe it, buddy. Hold on. Just need to get this thing over here. Dang, I don't know if my camera display is working. Yeah, no, it's okay. It's all right.
I'm just gonna post these screenshots up real quick. This is the bot that was on that I turned off earlier. But here's all the trades and stuff. I turned it off so I can show you guys how to hook it up again.
I see.
But here's the proof that it was actually running. 2 days, 9 hours, made $5 on it.
You just have a total. You have an account just to put it to the test of around $200 USD.
I added another 100 today, so
yeah,
I'm gonna try. 100? I'm gonna do the Bybit one now.
Oh, okay.
So I'm gonna have XRP and Bybit running.
Got it. Okay. And so this is your right. This is directly from the. I see it. It's from PHEMEX. Okay, brother. Guys, what we are testing here. I'm sorry, not testing. What we are officially running through the broker exchange is Alpha. I'm sorry, Alpha. This is Hybrid 1, and Hybrid 1 is a dual bias system. It does run orders both to the upside and to the downside, so it is bearish and bullish. It has a dual engine in it, right? So within the settings, you're going to notice that there are risk parameters that can be completely separate from each other, which is something that we're going to go ahead. I just noticed. What is that called again, bro? Oh my goodness! I noticed a bit of a glitch on either one of these guys, so I'm going to go ahead and create an update, maybe even within this stream. But what you're seeing as far as the profitability on my end, I've only messed with this for maybe 15 minutes. I haven't actually sat down, and I just got my tier open for my PHEMEX. So you guys have had the advantage of playing with it first. So I have had maybe just around 15 minutes with it. And what I did is actually I enabled from the profiles, right? I'm introducing something called profiles to the UI. And this gives you the ability to switch between simple profile and advanced profile, where in the advanced profile, you'll be able to enable all of the extra filters that this thing has available to you, right? Like, for example, the risk management. This is independent risk management for the long side, for the bulls, and this is independent risk management for the bears, for the shorts, right? We can we can enable specific sessions that you want to trade, or you can trade 24/7 on this, whatever way you want. But this is these are the time zones that are there. That's another filter that you can enable, a session filter. The advanced setting would also allow you to turn things on like this here. Like, for example, your momentum filter, right? Is it stochastic momentum? Um, the ability to determine whether you want market orders or limit orders to take place. And guys, the rate of change in different metrics. We have also the higher time frame confirmation that you can have attenuated in here, guys. What that does is that typically when you enable higher time frame, is that it's gonna look at from whatever time you're trading, right? Say here we're trading in a 17-minute time frame. This can be set to observe what the 4-hour time frame or whatever time frame you have in here enabled to you, right? You can have the algorithm start granting itself access into those later time frames to determine how far bullish or bearish this is going to be. So it'll auto determine whether continuation to the upside is present or not. So that can also adjust with your position's duration. Aside from this, we can also use an ATR filter, which is an average true range filter. So should you be trading within the 17-minute time frame, you can say to it that I want you to focus on the ATR length of 17 minutes, and that'll consider the length of any distance that a 17-minute candle can go up or go down. Okay, guys, so these are a lot of the properties that are available for you to just mess around with, and that's from the advanced mode. So what I'm saying here is that with 15 minutes or 20 minutes, Hybrid 1, I was able to get it to be profitable around 138.06%, starting from what looks like here around February 1st of this year. So February to this point of being around 10 months, or 9 to 10 months, yeah, this has already gained that kind of exposure. What I want to do, and what Panda is already doing, is that he has gained his profitability ratio is already reaching some of them beyond 60. He's already at 50% on others, and some of them are trailing right behind at that 48%. So this is where we want to really focus things on. We want to make sure that the drawdown always stays at a very, very minimal percentage in comparison to the percentage gain that you're getting. So there are a lot of steps, right? There are a lot of different things that can be attenuated, but this one here, guys, is in the simple. You really don't attenuate much. So the system is already generating positive results here. And guys, please, another thing is that, right, I know that the US users are always going to have a little bit of trouble here, but know for a fact that the algorithms are universal. They're able to be used with any platform that you would like. And actually, just to show you how versatile this is, we're going to be able to put together here some plays in the near future, right? Because we're going to start testing this against traditional markets like the S&P 500. I want to be able to trade this and gain its understanding or gain its advantages, right, through the equity world as well, not only just cryptocurrency. And that's why another reason as to why we were able to kind of put together here the session filter for you to enable and have it trade whenever you are able to be risk on or off. But I guess, guys, this is this is just a further venture into what we're able to provide systematically, right? And this is the bigger jump from where we came from, right? This is it's a different animal, right, than you had here on your Hybrid Elite system. Hybrid Elite is absolutely still its own entity and holds its own, right, guys? So the advantages of hybrid one are just additional features, just like you would any fully loaded car or whatever. You know, this one has the, what is it called, the sunroof, or the moon roof. This one has the technology package. Like, it's stuff like that, right? So the full blown system is in fact hybrid one. So guys, if anyone here is interested in getting it, I'll still honor the Cyber Monday deals on this, guys, because I'm because that's not going to be the price for long. And now that we are officially enabled to trade this on an actual platform with real cash now, as soon as this brings back the positive results, I'm going to lift the price on this for only a few more people, and then I'm going to have it disappear forever. I will never sell it again or show it. Okay, guys, so all I need is the proof of concept, and then we're good to go. I really need to go and shut the dog up, or he's just never going to stop. So are we okay to go, brother? What do you think?
Yeah, I'm ready.
All right, buddy, take it over.
Okay, so if you guys haven't seen the video that I posted already about the PHEMEX automated trading, here's a live version, I guess. So yeah, if hopefully you've been started off with putting your deposit in, so you can do a crypto trade or transfer, you can do credit card, fiat, whatever you want to do there. I got $200 in this, so we're just gonna go and make sure this is in futures, by the way. So once you get your assets, gonna be in spot. You're gonna need to switch it to futures. How you do that? Oops, sorry. Let me go back. There should be some over here. I think I could do it in my futures here, but so you see USDT here. It'll say deposit, trade, convert. Oops. Am I showing my screen? I'm sorry. Okay, good. There we go. Okay. So yeah, you'd want to transfer it. And it says spot account to futures account, and it'll show you what your availability is. We want to move your funds to the futures account. It's not going to work if you have it anywhere else. So when you do that, go to your futures here, on this here, and then go to trading bots. Okay. Then you go to signal trading, and it should say add signal right here. So we're going to make our signal first before I make our bots. So there's 2 steps to this. So we're going to do a signal. So let's do, just put whatever you want in here. So I'm going to put hybrid live test. Put a description, whatever you want. Push next. And then you'll have this. So this is what you're going to use for your trading view. You can open your trading view here. You can have one set up here. I'll have to switch over my screen so I can show you. But this is what should pop up. So we're going to go switch over to your trading view. Okay, so let's just say you found your perfect setup. So mine is on the 4-minute. I got 465 total P&L, 44 drawdown, 47% profitability. Perfect. I like it. Okay. Now make sure you check up here first to make sure you're on PHEMEX. If you're on Blowfin, if you're on Bybit, if you're on anything else, it's not going to work. It has to trade on the same chart as the exchange. So this is on PHEMEX. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our hybrid or whatever algo you're using. So for this is hybrid. Go to your 3 dots here, and then you go to add alert. So you just double check here, US or XRP, condition, hybrid 1, famous chart, perfect. Go to your messages and you delete this. Then you go back to your PHEMEX account where I showed you where all that alert messages and stuff is. You're going to copy that. I guess I can switch my screen again. It's going to be hard without OBS now. Okay, so I'm switching my screen. This is what you're going to copy. that says signal, ticker, action, strategy, order, action, all this stuff. Just copy. And it should say copy up here. You're going to need this URL later, so don't close this just yet, but we're going to copy the alert message, and then we're going to go back to our trading view. Well, you just paste it there. And you put in alert name, put it something that you can remember, that you know, because if you have multiple alerts like I do, it's kind of hard to figure out which one's which. So I'm just going to put Arca live test 4-minute XRP PHEMEX. Easy. Don't create just yet because we need to go here. Notifications. Make sure you have your webhook URL on. If you don't, you're going to have to do a two-factor authentication. And if you need to know how to do that, you go to your thing up here and you go to your profile, and it should be in there somewhere. Don't want to go through it because it shows my my personal info. So, but it's in here somewhere. I think it's under settings and billing. But crap, did I just close my screen? Apologies. Let me turn that back on.
Okay, guys, I got that link here. I'm gonna leave it for you guys right here. If anyone wants to participate with that, guys, I'll honor the Cyber Monday thing. It is active again. So go ahead, team. I'll leave it in YouTube too. Should anybody be there? Love you guys. Sorry, Panda. All right, guys. Maybe while we wait, maybe while we wait for Panda, we could do this. I'm gonna take you. I'm gonna switch the screens right now. And for those of you, I think there was. I do think there was a few. Are you good to go, Panda? Oh, okay. He's not moving here, right? Okay, good deal. Right. Let me come to this area here, guys, and yeah. So what I want to do here, guys, is I know that there was a few people who ended up purchasing Chronosis, right? I got to start this from the first one, from this one here. These are the Chronosis signals, and I'd like to describe to you what it does. So let's go ahead and start up a new chart here, right? Let's start it off also with XRP. And what about one that has the entire trading history? There we go. Hold on. Let me make sure that you guys are seeing this. Okay. Okay, perfect. So yeah, let's go ahead and go into your indicators and load up SH, because it's part of the Shaolin series, guys. That's Shaolin Chronosis. And let's let it load. And notice how nothing came up on the hourly time frame. That's because it's specifically immediate short-term time frame trader, and I'm not even sure if I did 9-minute time frame eligibility. So this really does belong into the 8-minute time frame and and below. So what this indicator is doing, guys, is that it's allowing you to trade. It's allowing you to trade based on time frame. It's exposure to time. So time, when it cascades into one time frame, meaning that if you have an hourly closure showing upside, then it cascades into a green closure, right? Then it cascades into another green closure of another. I meant like a 2-minute time frame, not an hourly, or a 3-minute, or whatever those immediate short term. So as they cascade into each other, they would likely start giving you signals that can pertain to upside continuation or downside continuation based on that. So it's more of a time-based type of algorithm. So since we are here on XRP, we want to make sure that this can actually be set to the 0 mark, right? We want to do 0, and this is the session time, 0 to 0, right? So that this can know what it's supposed to do properly, right? It wants to know what time frame you're in. So again, another type of algorithm that can I'm going to enable. I might do this, right? Because Panda has been asking me to enable alerts. So there is presently the ability to enable alerts on this, guys. So if there is problems with this, I may shut it down. But what I'm basically saying is that since this has alerts and you can actually go into a webhook and send the alert, this is also in not the most responsible way, but also an auto trader itself too. So this you can find the best time frame, right, against the asset that you're observing, whether it be anything between the 1 and 8-minute time frame. All you would have to really do is see how the signals were working, right? You just kind of back test it, see if this was truly a sell signal. Did it actually go all the way back, whatever it is, and find wherever that buy was, right? So maybe not this one. Maybe you need something a little more sensitive, right? What if we go into your 7-minute time frame and see how this thing did. So it looks like you got plenty of buy signals on here, but you also got a sell signal before the next buy one. So notice this buy that says a buy plus, right? And also you're noticing that this here is a green buy. So that green buy is actually it's more of a soft buy or a traditional buy signal for it to risk on and take a trade to wherever it sells. So these are your regular signals. The reason why there's a buy plus is that there is availability for a bigger move at hand. So a buy plus will show. Aside from that, this also features a volatility spike buy signal as well, similar to this. This one here is, of course, the inverse, and this is displaying to you. This is displaying to you the prior. Hold on, guys. Yeah, this is displaying to you the prior. I'm sorry, the inverse type of spike buy, right? So this is going to be a spike sell. So when it notices immediate sell volume or immediate volatility on the buy on the sell side, it'll give you a spike sell rather than it giving you one of the standard sells. So the sell signal can also show you the sell plus, right? So we're just gonna have to go ahead and like scour the entire availability here of signals, right, and find out which one would be the time frame to give you the biggest averages of either buy pluses and or like this here, right? This is the one that I was just going to show you. This is a sell plus signal, right? And got to make sure to get out on signals like that, because it just it'll spike down on you, or it'll sell almost right away. And so this one is, remember guys, that this is more of a time-based approach for your buy and sell stuff. So here, for example, here on a 2-minute time frame, XRP ended up buying here at that buy plus right around the areas of 205. And notice how it didn't take profit until like right about here when it started confirming the downside. So it ended up catching around a 216 at 655. If this is just standard setting, right? Everything that I've noticed here, everything that it has here so far is just without me attenuating anything other than just the time itself. So from here, I mean, this was a short here as well, right? So you sell the asset and then you cover the position here, right? So there's different types of approaches that you can do here. And but yeah, I'm gonna tell you too that these spike buys are something that don't appear much here on XRP, unless we just have to test in even smaller time frames. So why don't we go into the 1 minute time and see if it has any of those signals here. Oh my goodness, wow. So yeah, that was a pretty nice one here, right? So yeah. Giving you the buy here at 204. That was the sell at around 217-ish. Same situation here. It was similar to the other one, right? But yeah, I'm still not catching spike buys on this, right? So it looks like spike sells only came in just about one time, and that was, I think, in your like 6-minute time frame or something. So that's, yeah, like these spike sells, right? And it looks like the 6-minute time frame does have a pretty good average as for the buy pluses as well. Even the sell pluses are looking pretty common in this area too. So here, check it out, guys. This is a first spike buy here, right? And sorry. Oh my goodness. Actually, this was not a good signal. You ended up spike buying and you sold just below because of whatever reasons, right? Guys, remember, you can face inverted signals from this too, but should it notice the error, it'll try to correct itself, right? It'll give you like a minimal loss, break even or whatever, but that's where the magic from the auto traders, right, that have the risk management available, that's where it really comes in. In this case here, you have an entry down here right around the areas of 226, and the exit came out to 247 in this situation. And it is meant to be an immediate short-term trading system, so it'll give you signals literally, as often as you want them to give it to you. And again, what I'm displaying to you here is just in its factory setting. These are the predefined settings. you can do whatever you want on this, right? You can disable your 1 hour ATR, right? So that it can give you other types of signals. So if you disable the 1 hour ATR within a 6-minute time frame, then you can see some spike buys specifically here, right? You're buying right at the point of 256, and this thing is selling right at around 261, right? So you have different approaches on these things, right? But you have to go through the settings, find out what does what. What if you move this button? What if you click that button? What does what is it going to look like? And that's the whole thing about this, guys. That's how we approach these. That's how we approach all these things. And also, here you go. Let me go ahead and make sure that you know this. Does anyone have access to this portion of TradingView for the indicators, or is this something that you guys can't see for sure? Can you please let me know in the in the chat? Let me see. I gotta check the chat here on the bottom side too, huh? There we go. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure if anybody has the access into this area here from TradingView, but the description for the description for Chronosis is this right here. I'll just go ahead and put it in the comments section of Discord. I'm gonna put Chronosis description. So if there's anything that you can consider this to be, I guess this would be like a light version, right? It would be like the lights of Alpha and Omega, right? But this one it's running a different criteria, guys. It's running a different approach using stochastics, using average true range volatility. Using average true range as volatility, using linear volatility as another, and rate of change as another type of volatility metric. So 3 volatility metrics on this: time-based intervals, and time-sensitive and time-aware. And 3 different types of buys with 3 different types of sells. And this is also able to send out alerts to your automated trading system. Although I would prefer to use the more sophisticated ones for that, right? So that you can apply some risk metrics on this. This is nonetheless still able to perform such tasks. Okay, guys, and sorry about that. This is, please remember that this thing is called Chronosis, but hi, buddy. Just a sec, team. Here we go. And just like the other ones, guys. This also had a Cyber Monday blowout too. And I'll honor it, guys. I'll honor it just like I'll do the other ones. You don't have to. It's all on you, team. It's all on you. But here you go, guys. I'll just leave it in the chat and we'll be good to go. So this is SH Chronosis. And these are part of the newer series of things, guys. I haven't done this in a long time. Did you know what? I know that Panda kind of like disappeared here, but we could also continue the streams at a later time, team. I don't want you to feel pressured to be here or whatever else. I could still put together things like what I did for Chronosis here, right? Does anyone need to know how to load the indicator? Actually, is that something that you guys need? Panda, you back, buddy? I see him trying to come back right now, guys. I'm not sure if he's gonna try to continue, but I guess it was it could have been a pretty cool what is it, intermission of sorts.
No, I'm back. It's for some reason I couldn't see your screen because I didn't even know you were streaming after I stopped talking.
Yeah,
I couldn't hear you or nothing on here.
It's still showing on YouTube.
Oh, that's good. Yeah, that's where I found out that you were actually streaming and talking.
Yeah.
So I had to disconnect and see if I could connect back again.
You got to do it now.
No, I'm already done.
Oh, nice.
That's why I'm here.
Okay, cool. Yeah, brother. Let me go ahead and show you. I just described to them a whole bunch of other things, right? So let me get rid of this. And
Go back and watch it later. It's
yeah,
fine.
it was for the like the quote unquote light version of Chronosis.
Okay.
Yeah, but here you go, brother. You can kill it.
I don't know what else to talk about. They've already
Oh,
finished,
so you
finished
connected
that
it?
part of it.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Is that you
both of
paused?
them.
Is it you paused at a certain place where you said? I think you said, "Sorry, guys, let me try to connect" or something. Or, I forgot what you said, and then you disappeared.
Yeah, I don't know where it stopped, I guess, but yeah, I got both of them running now. I got the BNB and the XRP. I'm just waiting for them to trigger now.
Okay, cool. And so far, so far it's looking good, man. I think we could do another stream tour where we can attenuate further. And yeah, I think I should take the time also to go and correct that whatever bug that there is on the limit, or I'm sorry, the risk management.
Yeah, that would probably help. Because I think when I had the risk, the what was it? Not the risk management. The what was I talking about? Let me see. The trailing stop loss. That's what it was.
Oh yeah.
When I had that on, it was giving me a completely different thing, and I think it was because it was only reading one of the risk managements. It wasn't reading both of them. So I have those off right now.
Oh, gotcha. Okay. Yeah. So then I'm gonna work on that bug, and then it shouldn't take too long, and then we'll be good. But I guess since you already showed this, brother, and everybody kind of knows what to do, then let's close up shop and let's reconvene later. I still have to just work on those on the algo, right? Fix up that bug, and then that'll be it. I'll let
If anyone wants the inputs that I have right now, I'll post them in the trade system channel.
Nice. Thank you, brother.
That way they can at least have something to work with, and then they can continue it from there.
Yeah. Yeah, they can continue attenuating from there. That is perfect. In the next stream, we'll go ahead and work on the advanced filters.
Good.
You know, with the corrected whatever, and then you know what it is, the risk management corrected coding.
Yep.
All right. Well, let's do it, man. Let's cut it out, guys. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for stopping on by. If any questions or concerns, please go ahead and reach out to us. But that was at least we were able to get some information out. See you, buddy. Thanks for watching. I love you, team. Any questions, hit us up, guys. Bye, guys. Bye, everybody. Later, Panda. You'll close up shop?
Later. Yeah. I can close it.
All right. Later, team. Later, newbie.